As the financial year draws to a close, accuracy, compliance, and efficiency become the top priorities for every finance professional. Introducing the IFRS 5-Day Masterclass, Practical IFRS for Year-End Close and Reporting Excellence, an intensive, hands-on program designed to equip you with the essential skills and confidence to deliver world-class financial reports. Over the course of 5 transformative days, you'll explore every key area of IFRS with expert-led instruction, real-world case studies, and interactive workshops that turn theory into practical results. Day 1. Master IFRS foundations and the year-end close process, from key accounting adjustments to building a universal year-end checklist. Day 2. Dive deep into revenue recognition and financial instruments. Gain practical insights on IFRS 15 and IFRS 9 through guided case studies. Day 3. Understand leases, impairments, and provisions. Sharpen your judgment on IFRS 16, IAS 36, and IAS 37 with real financial statement reviews. Day 4. Learn the art of consolidation and group reporting under IFRS 10, IAS 28, and IAS 21. Including FX translation for multi-currency operations. Day 5. Prepare for audit excellence. Strengthen your internal controls, create robust disclosure checklists, and stay ahead with upcoming IFRS amendments.